So guys, according to Vanguard newspaper, police and military extorted 21.8 billion from Eastern Roadblock in 2 months. 21.8 billion in 2 months, for God's sake. What did the Igbo people do? What did they do in this country? They said we are one, but it's obvious that we are not one. How can the police and military checking points in Eastern region raise 21.8 billion in 2 months? How can? Tell me how. Tell me how. You said we are one, but it's obvious we are not one, for God's sake. Okay, for example, if you are traveling from Lagos to Abuja, how many roadblocks do you used to see on the way? How many roadblocks? If you are traveling within the Lagos, how many roadblocks? Once you get to the east, from Onitsha Hell Bridge, you'll be seeing roadblock, as if the whole Igbo people are thieves. You guys said we are one. We said, let us go. Allow us to go. Let us be. You said, no, we are one. But we are not one. How can police and military raise 21.8 billion in 2 months? How? Tell me how. When you are traveling within the north, how many roadblocks do you used to see? The north that has the most insecurity, how many roadblocks do you used to see in the north? But the whole eastern region is roadblock. From here to here, roadblock. From here to here, roadblock. Why? Why? They mount roadblock as if everybody there is thief. They mount roadblock there as if the insecurity in the eastern region is more than the one in the north. You said we are one, but it's obvious that we are not one. This is what they always use to frustrate the Igbo people so that they can travel far from their land to develop another man's place, like Lagos, like the northern part of Nigeria. Most of the states in northern part of Nigeria was developed by Igbo people. Had it been that Hausa people are not using religion to attack Igbo people would have developed north more than the way it is today. Look at Lagos, was developed by Igbo people. Because of all those frustrations. But you said we are one. It's obvious we are not one, my dear. It's obvious we are not one. If anybody rise and said, allow us to go, you guys will tie that person down. When I go hold the person for leg. So I know that so many of you don't used to read newspaper, but this is it. 21.8 billion from roadblock in 2 months. Even Yoruba or Molile, they never raised that kind of money in the whole Yoruba land in 2 months. They never raised that kind of money. All those are what they do a water. If motor pass, they go collect money. They never raised that kind of money in 2 months. But the federal government are making that kind of money from the eastern region for only roadblock. We never talk about from other revenue, other things, just only roadblock. I'm speechless. I don't even know what to say. I don't even know what to say. Because if anybody rise now and say, no, these people are not treating us like one, allow us to go, they will tie that person down. They will bring you, label you 1 or 2 things and tie you down. That's how they used to do. But it's obvious. See you in my next video.